Okay, so just a quick example of the 3-position floor calf raise. So this one's a little bit different than just your typical calf raise. We want to focus a little bit more on the soles of the feet, and in particular that tibialis posterior muscle that runs underneath the calves and helps support the arch of the foot. So for these ones, what we're going to be doing is we're going to start off this position 1 with feet together, okay? So you're going to notice I'm going to keep my ankle bones together as I do this. I'm going to be light on my pinky toes there so I can kind of peel them off the ground a little bit. So I'm squeezing together the ankle bones, and as I rise up, I'm keeping the ankles together and slowly coming down. And I'm light on the pinkies, so it's almost like you're rolling towards your instep a little bit as you're pushing through the ground. So the majority of pressure is going to be on your big toes. So that's position number 1. Position number 2 is going to be in this duck position or a pie position. So once again, I want to try to keep those ankle bones together if I can. I'm going to be light on the pinky toes, driving through the balls of the feet, and so coming up, driving through the balls of the feet, and slowly coming down. So again, trying to keep those ankle bones pinched together as I do it and staying light on those pinky toes. Position number 3 is going to be your pizza position or pigeon-toed position. So once again, with this one, it's really easy to roll out with the ankles, but what we want to do is keep them in a little bit. So toes are going to be together. This time the ankle bones are going to stay apart, but as you rise up, again, you're light on those pinky toes as opposed to letting your ankles roll out, okay? So light on the pinkies, up and down. Make sure you do these nice and controlled, okay?